guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a cozy Christmas vlog. Sorry if my hair's a mess. It's not the best right now, but anyways, for this video, I kind of forgot to do an intro and I was too busy and too excited to do other stuff that I forgot to do an intro and I just started recording. And so yeah, I'm just here filming an intro and yeah, I really do hope that you guys enjoy this video. And yeah, let's get on to the video. Okay, you guys, so as you can see, it's been about like a few hours. I took a shower, I did my hair, and then I also got changed and I also did my makeup. A lot has been going on. So my mom just went to Rite Aid to pick up a few stuff for our Christmas party on Friday. Right now, I'm about to go bake some cupcakes. They're not really like holiday cupcakes, but they are holiday cupcakes. But I'm gonna put like Hello Kitty decorations because we got like little icing toppings which are Hello Kitty themed, so I thought it was cute, so I got them. I'm a big Hello Kitty fan, so if I see anything Hello Kitty, I'm obviously gonna love it and I'll probably get it. Depends on what it is though. But right now I'm about to go downstairs and bake some cupcakes. Yeah, let's go downstairs. Also, I got a new tripod. It works really good. Okay, so I am going to make my cupcakes. So the first thing that I need to do is 1 cup of water and then 1/3 cup of vegetable oil and then 3 eggs. So I'm gonna get the vegetable oil and then I'll start baking. I feel like this is gonna go so wrong. I don't know why, but I just have a feeling. Oh wait. Oh, I need to put in the mix in first. Oh shoot. Oh yeah, this is good. Oh shoot, oh shoot. I know what I'm doing, folks. I know what I'm doing. Okay, now I'm going to put cupcake liners in the cupcake pan. So, yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna try to put the cupcake mix in the cupcake liners. This is gonna be very messy, but I'm gonna try. I can't do this, man. I'll try my best. Okay, so I'm gonna check on the cupcakes and see if they're cooled enough so I can ice them. And if not, I'm probably gonna wait a few more minutes and I'll probably show you guys what I got as my icing toppings. Pretty! So I'm going to be using this rich and creamy frosting in vanilla. And then of course I got a butter knife. And then these are the Hello Kitty icing toppings that I was talking about. So cute, right? There's a Hello Kitty donut, Hello Kitty coffee, Hello Kitty macaroons, Hello Kitty donuts, and a Hello Kitty popsicle. It's just so cute. So I'm gonna go to the bathroom first because I gotta go pee, and then I'll start icing. Also, I'm watching Barbie Life in the Dream House as well. So yeah. So I'm gonna put the cupcakes that I already iced with on the paper plate, and then yeah. It's not the best, but sure. Okay, I'm sorry if you can hear the TV in the back, but they don't look perfect, but I tried my best. Okay, so right now I'm gonna put on the Hello Kitty icing decorations, and I have 12 cupcakes in total, and I have 12 of these in total. So I'm just gonna put one on each cupcake so that looks cute, you know? Okay, now I'm just gonna go on the couch and just watch some Christmas movies, and yeah. And that is gonna be it for today's video. I really hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and I really also hope that it helped you get into the Christmas spirit, because I know it did for me. If you guys really liked this video, hit the thumbs up button, and if you guys want to see any more content or any suggested videos or content that you guys want to see from me, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also comment down below what kind of content you want to see from me. And also don't forget to click on the bell button so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Merry Christmas and Happy New Year!